Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing about a Zomato case study where we will be figuring out how Zomato is doing business right now, what would be the different revenue streams for Zomato, and how Zomato's business team is trying to pivot into a profitable business as they are a listed entity. So, welcome Nirantar and Mayuresh. Today we'll be learning about Zomato, and I'll just quickly share my screen and we can start discussing about Zomato. So, great. So, the first thing is Zomato. Okay. So, how we will describe it is basically we will first figure out the revenue streams of Zomato. How पैसा कैसे बना रहे हैं, right? First. Second is, what are the options? Like, are there any competitors to them in that particular revenue stream? कोई डायरेक्ट हो सकता है, कोई इनडायरेक्ट हो सकता है, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड देन वी विल स्पीक अबाउट what would be their operational challenges, because it's an even though it's a non-tangible product company, they are providing a service, right? So there are some operations which are involved. So we will start discussing about it. But first, I would like to know what kind of different revenue streams Zomato could have. What do you think?
So I guess the food delivery,
Okay, so
their mainstream.
that is like delivery charges.
Yeah.
Okay, then anything else that you think that they are doing?
Subscription charges,
Subscription.
gold membership, gold membership, and
Now they have closed it.
no, it is on
It's still
Zomato.
on. Okay.
Yeah,
So let's just say subscription.
yeah.
Okay.
Advertising.
Okay.
Advertising means taking commission from restaurants to list
Promote
them.
their restaurant menu and
Yeah.
dishes to their
Yeah.
different categorization. Got it.
Yeah. Priority and all. Yes. Priority listing.
Yeah. Anything else?
I guess they could be means I don't know. Means no confirmation, but they could be using their data for business consultancy. So if they have
Restaurant
lots of data,
consultancy.
yeah, if someone wants to open a new restaurant, they could approach Zomato to
They do it.
get
They
the
do it.
idea. Yeah, so where should we open this menu? We have this menu. We want to open restaurant in Delhi, I guess. So where should we open? What should be the location and all?
Correct.
Because they have lots of data regarding that.
Correct. So what kind of dishes? So basically ऐसा सोचो उसको कि यार यहाँ पे लोग क्या खाते हैं, वहाँ पे लोग क्या खाते हैं. What kind of dishes are famous in particular region, so that it becomes easier if someone opening a restaurant, they can bring those dishes onto their menu so that they get more traction out of it. Anything else?
Offers,
So how
discount
offers
offers.
will earn money for them? If you can help us understand.
Like in some region, there is certain dish. We call we take an example as a vada pav.
Mm-hmm.
If the its consumption is more,
Mm-hmm.
so that they can offer the more price and then give the customer discount. Customer look for a discount where we get the maximum discount from that.
Correct. So what you just explained is an acquisition strategy, that how they acquire the customer. Those customers can be revenue stream, which will come through either delivery, subscription, advertising, or consultancy. Whatever value they add into the business, right? So
Yeah.
we cannot attribute it to a revenue cycle or revenue pipeline for the business, but yes, it is an acquisition strategy, that what you right now mentioned. It's an acquisition strategy. So where they are using discount as an acquisition method or channel to bring in more customers into the system. Okay. So now you guys already mentioned a lot of things. So I'll just break it down for you. So we'll just move consultancy out of the window for now. Okay, so right now these three can be collect through app, right? This is something that they will have through their app. This is one type of revenue stream. So we will say, let's say type 1. Then there is a type 2. So have you guys heard of Hyperpure?
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's a B2B business for
Correct.
Zomato. They are providing the ingredients and all the required groceries and all at one place.
करेक्ट. सो बेसिकली अब उसको क्या है, इसको तो ब्रेड लगता है, इसको सॉस लगता है, इसको मे बी शिमला मिर्च लगती है, वट एवर. They know everything, right? Because they know how which dishes they make, and basis those dishes they can quickly deliver and have an specific inventory for that specific region. So that's a second model where they are trying to fulfill this to their customers. And the type 3 revenue is investments. This is not a cash revenue that they earn, but more of they're growing their money. So for example, if you guys know of that, Zomato has invested a lot of money in Blinkit is a super fast delivery grocery delivery app, a newer version of Grofers. So पहले जो Grofers हुआ करता था, अब वो Blinkit हो गया है, because they are delivering at a very fast speed. So they rebranded themselves as a Blinkit. So Zomato invested some amount in them. So let's say अब आपके पास यार ₹1,00,000 है, आपके पास इन्वेस्टर ने आपको ₹1,00,000 दे दिया, बट आपकी ज़रूरत 10,000 की है. अब तो 90,000 एक्स्ट्रा पड़े आपके पास इन्वेस्टर मनी. How do you ensure that those 90,000s are getting utilized at absolutely higher potential? So you figure out a new partner business, maybe a contemporary business जो आप ही के सेक्टर में काम करते हैं, जहाँ पे आप लोग बिल्ड करना चाहते हो, बट इवेंचुअली आपके साथ मर्ज हो सकता है. सो ब्लिंकिट कैन बी मर्ज्ड विथ हाइपरप्योर, इफ यू कैन थिंक, because Blinkit is delivering groceries to B2C,
Yeah.
whereas Hyperpure is delivering groceries to B2B, right? So that's a type 3 of investment. And the last is something that is Zomato doing, which they have just uh, done recently, which is type 4, is they have formed Nbfc. My bad. What does Nbfc mean? Any idea?
No.
So Nbfc is a bank, but not a bank, right?
Okay.
Very strange sentence, right? So it's a non-banking financial institutions. So for example, Bajaj Finserv क्या करता है? What does Bajaj Finserv do? Bajaj Finserv तो सुना होगा, right? You must have Bajaj
Yeah,
Finserv.
नाम सुना है. Yes.
So what does they do?
They provide no cost EMI.
Correct. So they provide consumer loans. That's
Yeah,
what it means,
consumer.
right? So NBFC का काम होता है लोन देना, but NBFC लोगों से डिपॉजिट नहीं ले सकता. They cannot take deposits from the customers. They can provide loans. तो अभी भारत पे you must have heard it. Right now
Yeah.
it's a very hot topic in market, right? So
Yeah.
भारत पे क्या करता है? They lend money to the customers. And once they lend money, they charge it back through their UPI transaction की 2% हर ट्रांजैक्शन में काट लेगा. So उसका लोन का रीपेमेंट हो जाएगा जो भी उसने लोन दिया. So that's what NBFC do. Even Cred is turning into NBFC, right? The Cred which is founded by Kunal Shah. So NBFC
Yes.
will help restaurants to take loans because उसके पास सारा डेटा है उसके ट्रांजैक्शन का, उसको पता है उसका बिजनेस कितना हो रहा है Zomato को, right? So on that
Yes.
front, they can create clusters of customers where they can have cheaper loans with low documentation. And Zomato से जो भी आप डिलीवरी करो उसमें से हम चार्जेस ले लेंगे, आपका लोन रीपे हो जाएगा. सो नॉट कोई अलग से सिस्टम बनाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है उनको. जो पेमेंट्स हो रहे हैं उसी में से पैसे कट कर लो and your money is
Okay.
sorted, right? So that's how
Yes.
NBFC is coming into play at Zomato. So these are 4 types of revenue streams for Zomato. These 3 are cash ones, this one, and this one, and this is growth oriented, right? Growth oriented means कि यहाँ पे पैसा बनना है उनका, वो खुद नहीं कमा रहे उसमें कुछ, right? They invested, let's say, $100 million in any startup. That startup will grow in itself and it will make, let's say, valuation of $1 billion. So उन्होंने जो 100 million उसमें इन्वेस्ट किए थे वो ग्रो हो गए 10x उनके, right? So that's how this investment type work, type 3. So now, any doubt in this particular part where we discussed कि उनका revenue कैसे आ रहा है?
Can you just explain Hyperpure again?
सो हाइपरप्योर यार B2B है, जैसे इंडिया मार्ट होता है. इंडिया मार्ट पे क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आते हैं और बोलते हैं यार आई वांट टू बाय दिस एंड आई वांट टू बाय दैट. सो हाइपरप्योर इज लाइक सेम. वहाँ पे ग्रोसरीज मिलता है. तो एक रेस्टोरेंट को ऑपरेट करने के लिए जो भी चीज़ चाहिए आपको, किचन अप्लायंसेस से लेके आपका ग्रोसरीज, सब्जी, योर स्पाइसेस, एवरीथिंग विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन हाइपरप्योर. So that's a B2B platform that they have built to supply all of the restaurants. और रेस्टोरेंट्स को पैसे पे करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं. वो जो उनसे डिलीवरी हो रही है वो उसी में से काट के पैसे पे भी कर सकते हैं टाइम टू टाइम. तो अलग पेमेंट मेथड सेटअप करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है उनको,
Okay.
राइट? सो दैट्स
Yeah.
हाउ they have built business right now. क्या?
Okay.
Any questions आज के इस पे? Anything, any thoughts that you have?
No, nothing.
No. No.
Okay. So great. I guess that's it. Thank you for joining, and we'll meet tomorrow again.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.